All right, he's bringing my car into his shop so we can fix the backlight. I couldn't do it. I couldn't get it to turn. This is Rich having to come through the passenger door because he's blocked in. Record this because it just got real. Holy cow.
Try to do this in your driveway.
I'm so glad you did that.
And I'm glad I brought it in here. I didn't think I'd have to take this off. I thought differently, I guess.
Wow. Okay. Oh my gosh.
Now, we're going to take this off. What's going on? Yeah, Volvo, you do some weird stuff here. Look at that. That's kind of crazy. In there, but
Feels like a screw?
it doesn't feel like. I don't know. All right, now,
3 hours later. All right, we finally got it out.
I'm going to share. Like this freaking thing is locked in here. Oh, this will help me when next time I have to do this.
Now we're gonna put the car back together. Well,
But this is what, you know, I mean, a lot of the interior jobs are this tedious
yeah.
because there's that many hidden fasteners and stuff that you don't see. When you do this, when you don't want to lose a bolt,
Yeah.
like if you do it at an angle and it might fall out,
Right.
you do this.
Paper
Put a
towel.
little piece pipe towel.
Put the bolt in.
Put the bolt in.
Make it really tight.
See?
And
Yeah.
it won't come out.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh. What type of flashlight is that, babe?
What's this one?
Yeah, why does it look so different?
This is an LED.
Oh, okay.
Halogen ones.